Hello everyone. Let's talk about dominoes. Dominoes are square blocks that have two sets of dots between 0 and 6. How many dominoes are possible? Well, 0 to 6, that's 7 options for a side. So you might say 14, 7 plus 7? No, that's too small. How about 49? 7 times 7? No, that's too big. There are a few ways you could work this out. Let's ignore doubles. There's 7 options for the first half. Then if we ignore doubles, that leaves 6 options for the second. But we've double counted. 4 and 3 is the same as 3 and 4. So we need to divide by 2. 7 times 6 is 42, divided by 2 is 21. Then we add back the 7 doubles to get 28. If that's the right answer, there's another way you could work this out. Choose 0 for the first half. There have been 7 possibilities. Choose 1 for the first half. There are 6 possibilities because 0 and 1 is the same as 1 and 0. There's 5 starting with 2, 4 starting with 3, 3 starting with 4, 2 starting with 5, and 1 starting with 6. 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 28. There are 28 dominoes in a set. Bye.